In this video, you'll learn how to edit your profile on Taskrabbit. By following these steps, you will be able to update your personal information effectively and efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Taskrabbit web browser and enter the URL taskrabbit.com/dashboard. Once the page loads, you will be directed to your dashboard, which displays an overview of your tasks and account details. Next, locate the account option situated at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this account button to reveal a drop-down menu. You will see various options related to your account settings. After the drop-down appears, find the option labeled Profile next to My Tasks. Click on Profile to access your profile page. This page contains all the relevant information associated with your Taskrabbit account. Once your profile page is opened, look for the Edit button. Clicking on Edit will allow you to access your profile settings. Here, you can modify various details, including your name, phone number, and other personal information. As you update your information, keep in mind that if a message stating authentication required appears, you will need to verify your identity. Click on this prompt, then select Send Code. This action will initiate a verification process. After clicking Send Code, check your email or phone for the verification code. Enter this code in the designated field and then click Verify. This step is crucial to ensure the security of your account. Finally, after making all necessary changes to your profile, locate the Save Update button. Click on Save Update to apply all the changes you have made. A confirmation message may appear to indicate that your updates have been successfully saved. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.